So we will reconvene on Monday morning.
We'll adjourn until 1000, 3 weeks from today, at which time this General Court-Martial will reconvene.
We will reconvene in 2 hours.
We will reconvene in 5 days.
Court will reconvene in the case of the State versus Bertram case.
In another couple of years, huh? What do you say?
This court will reconvene after the holiday.
Reestablish the Union before Congress reconvenes.
And then we're going to reconvene.
The board are reconvening back at the office.
And then maybe you can go home. So we will reconvene on Monday morning. I think that's all.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Enter a plea of not guilty for the accused. We'll adjourn until 1000, 3 weeks from today, at which time this General Court-Martial will reconvene.
We will reconvene in 2 hours. Until then, I want every street in Baltimore manned. Is that understood?
Lady and gentlemen, we will reconvene in 5 days' time. But for the present, enjoy your stay in Washington.
Everybody rise. Hear ye, hear ye. Court will reconvene in the case of the State versus Bertram case.
I smell like jail. Let's just reconvene in another couple of years, huh? What do you say?
Thank you. No further questions.
This court will reconvene after the holiday. 9 a.m., July 5th.
All rise. To put her state governments in order and to reestablish the Union before Congress reconvenes.
This is worth a contempt citation. And then we're going to reconvene. And then I'm going to ask you again.
Is he all right?
I'm afraid not, madam. The board are reconvening back at the office.
Time to consider Mrs. Garrison's request. Counsel will be notified when this court will reconvene.
Sir.
Mr. White.
Hello, gentlemen. I hereby reconvene the Dead Poets Society.
Judge, we're ready to reconvene.
We're right there.
Okay.
This would be a good time to break for the day. We can reconvene in the morning.
Your Honor, may I have 5 minutes and redirect?
Solid hours of staring at the material to decide to reconvene after the holidays for a fresh look at the layout. Selling cosmetics, not curing cancer.